Past continuous tense sentences. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative. She was cooking dinner. She was not cooking dinner. Was she cooking dinner? They were playing football. They were not playing football. Were they playing football? I was reading a book. I was not reading a book. Was I reading a book? He was watching TV. He was not watching TV. Was he watching TV? We were studying for the exam. We were not studying for the exam. Were we studying for the exam? The children were laughing loudly. The children were not laughing loudly. Were the children laughing loudly? She was singing a beautiful song. She was not singing a beautiful song. Was she singing a beautiful song? The dog was barking at the stranger. The dog was not barking at the stranger. Was the dog barking at the stranger? They were traveling to Paris. They were not traveling to Paris. Were they traveling to Paris? I was working on my project. I was not working on my project. Was I working on my project? He was cleaning the house. He was not cleaning the house. Was he cleaning the house? We were discussing the plan. We were not discussing the plan. Were we discussing the plan? She was writing an essay. She was not writing an essay. Was she writing an essay? They were painting the walls. They were not painting the walls. Were they painting the walls? He was repairing the car. He was not repairing the car. Was he repairing the car? The birds were chirping in the morning. The birds were not chirping in the morning. Were the birds chirping in the morning? I was waiting for the bus. I was not waiting for the bus. Was I waiting for the bus? She was sewing a dress. She was not sewing a dress. Was she sewing a dress? They were fishing by the river. They were not fishing by the river. Were they fishing by the river? He was playing the guitar. He was not playing the guitar. Was he playing the guitar? We were enjoying the party. We were not enjoying the party. Were we enjoying the party? She was planting flowers in the garden. She was not planting flowers in the garden. Was she planting flowers in the garden? I was fixing the broken chair. I was not fixing the broken chair. Was I fixing the broken chair? They were hiking in the mountains. They were not hiking in the mountains. Were they hiking in the mountains? He was making a delicious cake. He was not making a delicious cake. Was he making a delicious cake? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming lectures.